New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Ascot Supply half-inch drive Superduty Air Impact Wrench, which features a 2-inch extended anvil, a twin hammer mechanism, and a full teasing trigger for better user control. Next is the Pryar attachment head from Vim Tools, which can be used with GRK100 system from Vim. This head works with the TH21 handle, allowing users to have a variable length handle from 18 inches to 21 inches with the attachment. Our third tool is Mayheu Tools' 4-piece demo tool set. It includes a 3/16-inch pin punch, a 1/4-inch pin punch, a 1/4-inch center punch, and a 7/16-inch pry chisel. The next tool is the Air Hammer Power Tommy 475 Wheel Hub Puller from Promax Tool by Milton. It is designed to save technicians time with no more control arm teardown. Finally, our last tool is Milwaukee Tools' Packout Rat Kit, which is designed to eliminate the frustrations that come with disorganization and tool movement during transition. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issue by following the links below. See you next week!